Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Posthog product analytics. So the first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for the posthog.com. And right here, you'll be able to see here the different products. So of course, we have to sign up for an account, but since you cannot really access this tool from my region, so still I'm going to show you the different uses of this tool. Okay, first we have the product analytics. So add your insights to a dashboard, see the query behind each insight, and here break down insights by any property, and then choose your visualization. Okay, so here when we scroll down, we have here the funnel. So find drop off across a series of actions. So we have this view right here for the funnels. We also have the graphs and trends. So you can visualize user data with graphs, tables, charts, maps, and more. Next, we have the web analytics. Okay, so you can monitor traffic right here. So limit results by page, device type, or UTM parameter. So you can add here a filter. And then for the visitors, graph visitors, page views, or sessions. Okay, so you'd be able to see that right here. Okay, so for the features, okay, so we have the top path, the top referrals, the device types. Okay, so break down the traffic by device, the world map, and then the retention cohorts. So analyze the retention by week. Next, okay, so let's proceed now to the session replay. Okay, so here for the session replay, as you can see right here what it looks like. Okay, so access event history, the console logs, and the network request. So you'd be able to see the buttons right here, and then control the speed playback, skip, inactivity, export, plus more. Okay, so here are the features. So event timeline, console logs, and then the network monitor. Okay, so we have here the capture session without extra code, automatic playlist, web or mobile session recording, download recordings, block sensitive data. Okay, so now let's proceed to the feature flags. Okay, so now for the features flags, as you can see right here, we have this information. First, watch user sessions and any variant of a flag, easy access to insights related to this flag, and then set a percentage based rule out by the property or cohort, and then update content in your product without changing your code. Okay, and here we have the phantom, the contra, the 11 loves, and then the car vertical. Now for the features, we have the release conditions. Okay, then the multivariate feature flags, the task changes without touching your code base. Okay, and then the developer friendly automation and early access feature opt-in widget. Okay, so allow users to opt it into the specified features or use the API to build your own UI. Next is the experiments. Okay, so let's proceed now to the experiments. Okay, so right here you'll be able to see now the experiments and the other information. So we have here the status, the feature flag, the data collection, and then the other information as well. Now for the features, we have the customizable goals, the targeting and exclusion rules, the recommendations, and then we have the built-on feature flags. So all the benefits of the feature flags, and then we have the JSON payloads, the split testing, the multivariate testing, the dynamic exports. Next, we have the error tracking. So for the error tracking, as you can see right here, we have the assign to a team or individual option. So you can assign this task right here, and then set the impact over time. Then you're gonna watch the session recordings of the exceptions, and then find the root cause. Okay, And then here we have features you'd expect, but 10 times better in the Posthog ecosystem. So we have the session replay, the product analytics, the feature flags, the user profiles, the alert, the triage, the organize and prioritize, and then the stack traces. Okay, so assign issues to individuals or groups for the triage, merge issues, sort by frequency or recency, or use text search to find specific errors, and then get code text automatically with Posthog server side libraries. Next is the surveys section. Okay, so right here you can see the breakdowns for ratings of the NPS questions, and then we have here a pie chart for a single choice options. Okay, so you'd be able to see here the information. Now for the features, we have the question types, templates, display condition, and then we have the multi-step surveys as well, link somewhere, and the no code, yes to API. So we have this one as well. Okay, now for the data pipelines. Here for the data pipelines, you'd be able to see here the customer data platform. You have the overview, the sources, transformations, destinations, side apps, then the apps management. Here for the sync product data with third-party tools. So any event or actions in Posthog can update user records or trigger workflows in other production in your stack. You have the CRM, the support, the messaging, the enrichment, and then the internal charts. Okay, so we'd be able to see here the other information as well. Now for the data warehouse, we can see here now our data warehouse to link data from other data sources. We have the query data directly with the HagQL like SQL, and then we have the link tables together, and then the visualize your queried data right here. Okay, for the features, we have here the sync from Stripe, sync from HubSpot, and more. And then of course, they also have the Max AI. So basically, the Posthog session replay is a powerful feature that allows the product teams to watch recordings of real user interactions on their website or apps. It captures everything from a mouse movement and clicks to page navigation and form entries without recording sensitive information, so teams can better understand how users experience their product. This helps identify bugs, UX issues, and behavior patterns that traditional analytics tools might miss. Unlike third-party tools, the Posthog session replay runs on your own infrastructures, giving you full control over your data. It integrates seamlessly with other Posthog features like event tracking, feature flags, and funnels, so you can jump directly from an event or user issue to exact sessions where it happened. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.